Giving your Microsoft Word documents a proper look can be time-consuming. There is a good way to ensure that your documents have consistent formatting and maintain proper structure. It is called styles. With styles, you can give your documents a professional look and maintain consistency with just a few clicks. So without further ado, let's get started. So what exactly are styles in Word? A style is a set of formatting characteristics that you can apply to text, tables, and lists in your documents to quickly change their appearance. You can access styles from the Home tab in the ribbon. Applying a style in Word is as simple as selecting the text and choosing the desired style from the Styles group. Let's say you want to make a heading. You would select the text and then click on the Heading 1 style. And just like that, your text is transformed into a professional-looking heading. Gallery in the Style section of the Home tab shows a preview of some most frequently used styles, but of course more styles are available and can be created. We will get back to it later. What if you don't like the way a certain style looks? No problem, you can easily modify it. Right-click the style you want to modify, like Heading 1, and choose Modify. In the dialog box you can change the font, size, color, alignment and much more. Please note the options at the bottom of the Modify Style dialog. There you can decide whether your modifications are to impact only the current document or if you want to replace the standard setting for the selected style with your formatting for all documents created from now on. Now let's move on to creating your own style, which can be extremely helpful if you're looking to maintain a specific formatting throughout your document. Click on More button in the Styles group and then choose Create a Style. In the dialog box, give your style a name and click on Modify to specify your desired formatting. This will open the same dialog as in our previous illustration and you will be able to adjust the formatting of your new style. Style sets are a group of styles that are designed to work together to create a visually appealing document. Go to the Design tab and open the Style Sets gallery to see a preview of how your document will look with the selected style set. This is a very fast way to give your document a totally new look without having to redefine all styles used in it. This is also the reason why it's usually best to format your text using styles instead of formatting it directly. When a new style set is applied to your document, you have a higher chance of your document getting a consistent look if you use styles. For more control over styles, you can use the Styles pane. Open the Styles pane by clicking on the Expand button in the Styles group. Here you can see a list of all styles, apply styles, and even manage and customize them. To modify styles in the Styles pane, simply right-click on the style you want to change and click Modify. This will open the style formatting dialog that we have seen earlier. One of the most powerful uses of styles is creating a table of contents. Word can automatically generate a table of contents based on the heading styles in your document. After applying heading styles throughout your document, go to the References tab, click on Table of Contents and then choose a format. And voila! Word automatically creates a table of contents for you. In order to get a good table of contents, it is important to be consistent with defining your chapters and formatting the headings with styles. If you have manually formatted a section of text and want to update a style to match it, Word makes it easy. Select the formatted text, right-click the style you want to update and choose Update to Match Selection. The style will now reflect the formatting of the selected text. If you want to clear all the formatting and styles from a certain section of text, you can do that as well. Select the text and go to the Home tab. In the Styles group, click on the More button, then choose Clear Formatting. Your text will revert to the default style. Another powerful feature of styles in Word is the ability to import and export them. This can be especially useful if you are working on a large project or collaborating with others. To import or export styles, go to the Manage Styles dialog box by clicking on the Styles pane button and then Manage Styles. From here you can import a style set or export your current styles to use in another document. Simply select the file from which you want to copy styles on the left-hand side of the dialog and select the file you want to export the styles to. Please note that in both cases, one of the options available for you is the alternative to import or export from the normal .m file, which is the global template file. If you export your styles to that file, they will be available when you start Word. The Style Inspector and Reveal formatting tools can be handy if you are dealing with a document that has complex formatting. Open the Styles pane, then click on the Style Inspection button. This tool shows you what styles and direct formatting have been applied to the selected text. Similarly, Reveal Formatting pane shows all the formatting applied to the selected text. You can access this pane by pressing Shift F1. Talking about keyboard shortcuts, it is important to know that at least some styles can be applied by using keyboard shortcuts. This is especially useful if you want to format your text as heading of specific level. To format text as heading 1, you can simply mark it and press Ctrl-Alt-1. Similarly, to format text as heading 2, just mark it and then press Ctrl-Alt-2. As you have seen so far, the Styles Gallery offers only heading 1 and heading 2, but what if you want to format some text as heading 3 or a level below that? Just mark your text and then press Ctrl-Alt plus the number of the heading level you want to format your text to. You can assign shortcuts to your styles when you create them or when you modify them. Just click the Format button at the bottom left-hand corner of the dialog and select Shortcut Key. There, in the Press New Shortcut Key field, you can specify the new shortcut key you want to use to format selected text instead of selecting the style from the list. Make sure you don't overwrite any of the standard keyboard shortcuts, because then your Word may become unusable. If you select a key combination that is already in use, Word will display a warning about it. This is just a brief introduction to using styles in Microsoft Word. Remember, the key to mastering styles is practice. Start incorporating them into your everyday Word usage, and soon you'll be able to format your documents in a fraction of time. Be sure to check our other videos to learn more about various Office applications.